Your next step is starting to discipline your mind, to start letting your subconscious mind run your life. Most people, if not damn near all the people on this planet, let their conscious mind run their life because they think that's the real them. So you hear this in metaphysics that you'll hear white people even say this: you're not your job, you're not your house, you are not who you think you are. Well, what are they talking about for real? What they're talking about is the person called Hollis doesn't exist. He only likes what he's like because we already pointed out that half the shit you did after you thought you were free from your parents was shit from your parents. So how the fuck you know you like it? In fact, that pineapple, how the fuck you know you really like it? You probably eating it because, number one, you're from the islands, and that's what you'll find a lot of people on the islands. So your mother and them had it all the time. So you say they like it, I think I like it. The point is, spiritually, you don't really know. Of course, if you eat and you like it, it's obvious. I'm using an example of other things. The table you have, perhaps, or the couch that you're sitting on, the same kind that you had when you grew up. Maybe you only like it because it is the kind you have when you grew up and you're used to it. Who knows? How many things in this world that don't exist, that you don't know exist, that you don't even know. That's the point. You only think that. So you are not your job, you are not your couch, you are not that. You are the lump sum of what you've been socialized into. When you're dealing with spirituality, you are starting to raise up the sleeping part of you. The part of you that is many lifetimes and has an agenda that's bigger than Hollis. And then once you start to understand that, once you start to work and communicate and raise that up, your life around you or reality around you starts to make beneficial to what it is you truly are. And that's a God. So it is no way but up from here when you're dealing with this. No way but up. So just by dealing with your natural, because people, well, when I do this, will I get money? Will I get a girl? Will I get this? That's obvious, because if you're dealing with your nature is a rich man. Your nature is a prosperous man. Your nature is all about the pussy. So all of that shit's going to come. Any of that material stuff, don't even focus on that. Focus on the true self, and all the material shit will line up. Because if you focus with your nature is wealth. Yes. Is prosperity. So focus on your nature, which is the spirituality of God, which is what you are. And that should have worked out.